Hey Julie, this is Russell with the 460 EFI guys. I figured I'd show you a video of your harness and ECU running. So far it's running really nice. A little breezy today, but we'll get out on the highway and everything. It's almost up to temperature here. Tire spinning. Still waiting for that left wideband gauge to kick up. Yeah, good power. Climbing speed pretty good and quick. Air fuel curves over at like 13. I'm standing on it, which is nice to see. That left one will probably kick up here in a minute. Nice windy Wyoming day. You can probably hear it over with the mic, but yeah, this is a little bit of a climb here that flattens out and then goes into an even steeper climb. But yeah, so far, good air fuel curves. That's 80 miles an hour right there. That speedo's actually pretty close to accurate. Yep, she's backing off and right around the nice air fuel curves. The wind's pushing me around pretty good, but all in all, good strong runner, good acceleration, good timing. Throttle just kind of coasting here. That's about where you want to see it, around 14.7, so it's pretty good. Last week I think we got 37.5 inches of snow in a real short order, and that set us back a little bit, but you see the grass just whipping in the wind here. On the table right now going out, we're looming up, and then this one will go on that table next. We'll just keep cycling through, but I should have yours shipped out to you tomorrow, I think.